Criteria Lab's CL-1012 is a high-performance InGaP HBT MMIC amplifier utilizing a Darlington configuration with an active bias network in a hermetic package. A replacement for the Qorvo or RFMD SBB5082S, the CL-1012 active bias network provides stable current over temperature and beta process variations. Screened and qualified to MIL-PRF 38535 Class Q and Class V specifications, the CL-1012 features excellent gain flatness, a small size, minimal external components, and hermetic packaging. The CL-1012 is a replacement for the RFMD or Qorvo SBB5082S. It has a single fixed 5-volt supply, ultra-flat gain, OIP3 of 35 dBm at 1.95 GHz, P1 dB of 19 dBm at 1.95 GHz, has a hermetic package in a 2-pin 5.8 mm by 2.8 mm. Applications for the CL-1012 include space applications, both commercial and non-commercial, industrial applications, and non-commercial aerospace and defense applications. Want to learn more about the CL-1012? Visit criterialabs.com to download the complete datasheet or to connect with one of our engineers.